This is how to fix Roblox not launching and closes instantly on the Microsoft Store. Now, in order to play Roblox, you do not need to download it from the Microsoft Store. So what we're going to do is go into the bottom left to our search and look up storage settings. We're going to apps and features, and we're going to search the list for Roblox. If you don't see Roblox right here, we're going to switch our drive to the other one. And if it's here, we're going to uninstall it. Once it has been uninstalled, we're going to press OK. And now we're going to look up Store, the Microsoft Store. Go to Advanced Options. Now, since you can't uninstall this app, what we're going to do is going to reset it. So we press on that. And now how you know it's successfully resetted is has the check mark right there. Now, instead of going to Roblox on the Microsoft Store and installing it, we're going to go to any browser of our choice. We're going to search for Roblox Downloader and click on Download Roblox app. We're going to download it to Windows. It's going to start installing Roblox. And there you are. That is how to fix Roblox not launching and closing instantly on the Microsoft Store.